Mobilize.
Oh,
ADP. Alright.
That's my favorite YouTube.
What's up, YouTube? How you doing?
it's
Hey,
your
horse.
boy.
We're back again.
You too. Chi-ha.
You already know what's going on. So, y'all will never guess what we got this time.
Yes. We'll wait. Not. Show what we got.
We not Dora. But yeah, Kit Kat apple pie. Hold on. I already know what you're going to say. Hold on. Yes, Kit Kat apple pie.
It's gonna go blurry. It's gonna
You going to get blurry. Shut up.
They can read that.
Yeah, Kit Kat apple pie flavored. Apple pie flavored.
This man got a whip, so he can't talk.
It's a lift. Remind yourself. Anyways, you get this from the what's them things called? The self checkout lines /
Yeah,
cashier
you know all the
lines.
candy bars be on the side.
Yeah.
And you just
This one's in the
you're
cut.
taking way too long to scan your items, so you grab some candy. Like, you know what? Scan this
Yeah,
too.
so you just
wanna
look around.
you want to take your
Yeah.
time. Scan
You just
this.
look around. You get this from Walmart too. I don't know about any other places. This is like one something and some change. So we're going to be ghetto and just bite each bar. So yes, we just gotta.
You open it so boringly.
Shut up, bitch. Damn. Break it, ho.
Looks like a thing of
Whoa.
cheese.
Whoa. Oh. Yeah. Open it like that.
Don't disrespect the kid.
This don't smell good though. It smell like something.
Smell like white chocolate.
Smell like apple pie, probably.
No, it smell like something else. I just can't get the smell. It
Smell
smell
like-
like.
Oh, it smells like a Starburst.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Starburst.
They put Starburst inside the apple pie.
Can we bite it?
Yeah. The color is yellow. It looks like white chocolate.
I said it smelled like white chocolate at first.
I said it looks like white
I
chocolate.
said it smelled like white chocolate at first.
Anyways,
Smells good. I've always been a fan of white chocolate latte.
Hmm?
White chocolate.
Let me be honest with you. It's just like a regular Kit Kat to me.
I can taste the pie. I can taste the crust.
I really can't, bro. It's just like a regular white chocolate latte.
I swear to God, this tastes like a regular Kit
Your
Kat
brother
bar.
in the living room. He did the, but it tastes. I can taste the pie.
I'm sorry, it tastes like a regular Kit Kat to me.
It's not nasty. It's not nasty.
Not at all.
I forgot about y'all, but it's not nasty.
We are not 6 feet apart.
But it
at
do
all.
taste like a little bit of white chocolate though. A little bit.
It tastes like a regular Kit Kat to me.
I can taste the cinnamonness and the appleness a little bit, but it's not all that.
I taste the white chocolate.
That's what I'm gonna say. It tastes like white chocolate.
I taste it too, but I can taste a little bit of cinnamon and a little
Man,
bit of
let me
apple.
read this goddamn rapper.
It doesn't have cheese in it, bruh.
I ain't looking for the cheese. I'm looking for waves in here.
Anyways, well, it is Kit Kat, so a little chocolate probably be in it. But
Man, it says nothing about apple in here. It don't say nothing about apple in here, dog.
I don't think it does.
It doesn't say nothing about apple in here.
so they're false advertising. I'm gonna have to sue them.
Not at all.
Okay.
Let's not get into that business. We're just taste testing because we're
Right.
gonna lose. It's us versus an entire company. We
Plus
don't
the
even have
fans. Plus the fans.
We don't even have the millions of views to hire a lawyer yet.
I'm gonna say you
But
definitely on
that's
your
up
own.
to y'all. If y'all
That's
can share
up
for
to
us.
him.
It is up to him. That guy right here to my right.
Nigga, that's up to shit.
Damn. 5 seconds. Give it too loud. But yeah. So I guess
That was you
6.
sitting here for 3 minutes watching us eat a regular Kit Kat bar.
6.
Basically, dog.
I have regular. All right, 6 minutes.
That was good. Drop your social. Bye bye. No,
But
seriously.
yeah, but yeah, like, comment, subscribe,
Mhm.
drop y'all socials, everything else. You already know what's going on. Get it from Walmart. $2
Yes.
something or less change. And I think that's it.
Catch us on the slick side.
Bye.
With a kitty cat entrance exit. Bye bye.
Fuck below.